Hello, this is Editor Troxel. In this tutorial we're going to continue with our custom command tutorials, and this time we're going to learn what we need to do to actually make a version we could distribute to other people or use as a release version on our own machine. So let's get started. So far in our tutorials we've been using this debug version. We have both a debug option and a release option, and what we would want to do is actually make a release version. So when we change this to release, now we can come up here and say build solution. And now the new build has been created. So let's open our File Explorer. And we'll go to our drive C. Our test scripts is where we've set this up. We have our CC test, and then inside is our CC test, and then previously we went to bin and debug and we use this one. For the release one we need to go to bin and then release, and this is the one you would distribute to other people because it does not have all the debug information in it. So now we would take this and put it into one of the positions that Vegas actually looks for to see if it can find a custom command. There are actually 7 different places we can put this. My personal favorite is to go to my documents and just place a Vegas application extensions in that folder. So all of my extensions will be installed into that folder right there. So I would just copy it to this folder, my documents / Vegas application extensions. One good thing about this is all versions of Vegas that you have installed will look in this location, so it'll work in all versions and you don't have to reinstall for newer versions or have it look for specific versions. There are 3 other locations that will work in all versions. One of those is users, then the username, then app data, local, Vegas Pro, and application extensions. The next one is users, username, app data, roaming, Vegas Pro, and application extensions. And then finally you can put it in program data / Vegas Pro / application extensions. And those will work in all versions of Vegas that will support this DLL. If you have an extension that you want to only show up in a specific version of Vegas, there are 3 places where you can put that. First of all is users, username, app data, local, Vegas Pro, then the version number, and then application extensions. The next one is users, username, app data, roaming, Vegas Pro, version number, application extensions. And then the last one would be program data, Vegas Pro, version number, and application extensions. As you can see, the base of each of these is actually the same, except for the 3 version specific ones add a version in the path right before the application extensions, and the other 3 do not include the version number. So these are 7 locations that they can be installed in. So as you can see, distributing the DLL to other people or to other machines or even on your own machine is really just a simple process of creating the correct folder and then putting the DLL file in that specific folder. Once you have it in that specific folder, you can start Vegas and it will automatically look there and find it, and it will be listed in the menus just like it was when we were debugging. Please sign up at www.JETDV.com and subscribe on YouTube to get further notifications on when new videos are presented.